So to comment GIFs on Instagram posts, this is exactly what you need to do. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do step by step. Okay, so we're basically going to try to comment a GIF on this Jake Paul post. So as you can see, we want to click on comments. And then now you want to click on this GIF icon right over here on the left-hand side. And so you have all these GIFs that you can choose from. You can choose the genre to be love, happy, cry, all these different things that you can basically pick on. So I'm going to, let's say, choose this one. And as you can see, it says Instagram does not support image insertion here. So now in order to fix that, what you want to do is basically exit out from here, go to your profile, and then click on the 3 lines on the top right, and then click on settings and privacy. From here, you want to scroll all the way down to click on help, report a problem, and now you want to click on report problem without shaking. And you can click on include and continue, and basically you want to tell Instagram the bug that you have with Instagram not allowing you to send a GIF. So as you can see, we have just written a message to Instagram basically asking them to enable GIFs for us to comment on Instagram posts because our phone cannot do it at the moment. So now you just want to click on send,